What I'm going to do is make sure we have our safety glasses on. So I put 2 legs on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand her a gun. When I hand her a gun, this is her gun for 2 hours. It's your responsibility to know the condition of the gun, your responsibility to treat the gun with respect, be safe, and have fun, okay? So when I put 2 hands out, you put 2 hands out. When she has 2 hands on the gun, I say got it, and then she says got it. When you say got it, I let go.
Okay.
Say got it?
Got it.
All right, so now that's your gun. So muzzle straight up. So walk with me. Perfect. And let's just walk over to our stand just like that. You're doing so good. Okay. And go real slow. And now the gun is going to go down. We'll just kind of roll it down range just like that, and I'll help you. Just like that. Good job. Good job. And there you go. Oh, are you one more? So go ahead and load your magazine. There you go. There you go.
He's tired.
He's tired?
I'm done.
Okay, okay. He did really good.
I'm proud of him.
He did really good. Oh, I couldn't see you. You're like camouflage. Get over here. Oh, buddy. Come here, little buddy. I'm trying to play jokes on you. Close the bolt. Make sure the gun's unsafe. All right. Shooters ready. Stand by. Fire. Cycle. Back on safe, please. Cycle back on safe. How'd she do? She hit. Go ahead and grab your gun. Muzzle straight up to the sky. There you go. Just like that. So come with me. There you go. Good job. So we'll walk. Good job. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Clear. 2 hands on the gun. Got it.
Got it.
Good job. There you go. You did so good today. Good job. I'll take